Ciao and welcome to George Brown College Center for Hospitality and Culinary Arts. I'm Chef Ema Costantini and this is the 12 days of CHCA. Today we will be making spice nuts, a delicious snack that will remind us of winter markets and the holiday season. First of all, I have a warmed bowl with 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Into this bowl, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of sugar, all of my spices. I have a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of mace or nutmeg, and just a little pinch of cayenne to taste, and about 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. I have flaky sea salt, but any fine sea salt works. If 1/2 teaspoon is too much for you, you can use a little bit less. We are going to mix all of our spice mix with the sugar and the maple syrup and the butter. I'm going to add about 4 cups of nuts, which is about 1 pound. And mix everything thoroughly in order for us to coat all of the nuts with this spiced and sweet goodness. Okay, so now that our nuts are nicely coated, we're going to put the nuts onto the trays, like so. You want to have them in a single layer because you want them to basically caramelize all over. In the oven we go at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 Celsius. And we're going to keep them there for 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure that you stir them a couple of times throughout the cooking time so that they all get nicely roasted and the sugar gets nicely caramelized around the nuts. So we will be right back with our cooked nuts. Our nuts are ready. Make sure you let them cool down completely to then put them into a nice jar. You can use a recycled jar, and all we're going to do now is fill it with this beautiful nuts. This tastes amazing along cheeses on a cheese board as well. Now I have a fancy jar here. I'm going to put a little rubber gasket just like so that it stays nice and closed. And this comes with clips, but you can get like a regular screw top, a nice piece of fabric to make it look pretty. And I have here a nice large organza ribbon. Anything works really. And all we're going to do is make a beautiful wrap, just like a nice large bow to make it look excessive. And here we go. Happy holidays, everybody, and thank you for watching the 12 days of CHCA. Ciao!